Welcome to the Fashion Challenge. Today, moms and daughters dress up and show off their style. Big prize coming.
Mom, we want to join the show.
All right.
I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you
Beautiful.
hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion.
Do you like my new look? Comment below.
I like it. Let's go.
Hey,
No.
but just wait.
Let's go.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, this way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am
Hey,
trying to do.
for you.
What I am trying to do is say I love you. I feel but you miss me soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies.
No.
You know you hurt me bad and I've
Do you like this dress? Like and comment below.
This outfit is gorgeous. Don't you think so?
I like it.
Looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live. 'Cause I'm so over the past. And I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it on.
For you.
When the love is all around.
Yeah.
Slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out, but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that.
Like the video if you like this outfit.
Yeah. I don't wanna be the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you. And all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama. We'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause
Hey.
it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you.
I like it.
And my heart is beating because I'm waiting next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to. 'Cause we can do anything.
Congratulations, you win.